everybody, welcome to my channel. Such a pleasure to meet you. I love, I'm sending all of you much love. In today's video, we are going to be instantly raising the vibration of food because guess what? Everything is energy, and we want to instantly raise the vibration of the food that we're going to eat. So the vibration of the food when it goes into our bodies and fuels our amazing bodies that we eat high vibe food. Well, I'm telling you, how do we eat high vibe food? It's very simple. We eat high vibe food by using this amazing hand posture. It means I love you in American Sign Language. We combine it with the words infinite love and gratitude. And this is how we raise the vibration of food instantly. I got some food cooking now. Cooking some food now. So not only do I send my food, when I chop it up, I send it infinite love and gratitude as I'm chopping it, but I also send infinite love and gratitude. I infuse all my food with infinite love and gratitude. And this instantly raises the vibration. Everything is energy. And as we know, guess what? This has water molecules in it, right? This is an onion, by the way. Has water molecules in it and green onions, everything, especially fresh foods, things like this, they have water molecules in them. So this is how we can raise the vibration of our food that we eat instantly by using infinite love and gratitude. I've been doing this for a while. And I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference in the food that we eat. And I'm so excited to be sharing this amazing tip with you because we all know that foods are processed. There's a lot of food and we can still do our best to try and eat foods that aren't processed, and we can try to do our best to buy organic foods and farmers market food and things like this, but we know that there's not really much way for us to avoid chemicals. But we can instantly raise the vibration of the food by using infinite love and gratitude. So today I am just welcome to my cooking. I'm not really a cook. I told my mom when I was 12 years old that I was going to marry a cook, and that didn't happen. But I have found a way to enjoy cooking food. And the first thing I do before I go to cook food is I put on some music and I go with the dance and I groove. And this, I find, has been an amazing tool for me. So we really would just want to enjoy ourselves, right? We just want to enjoy life. And I'm telling you, this is the most amazing way to raise the vibration instantly of your food. I highly suggest you give it a try. And like anything, when I go pick it up from the store, just give it infinite love and gratitude. I don't just give it while I buy it, I also give it while I'm cooking it, while I'm cutting it, and at the end, because we want to appreciate the food that Mother Earth has really given us. She has given us the fuel for our bodies. And we know that when we combine the words infinite love and gratitude to water molecules, guess what happens? It instantly raises the vibration of these water molecules. So this is how I cook every day. I cook all my foods with infinite love and gratitude. I'm just gonna quickly check on my onions. So yeah, I went for a Wild Women's Camp Out, and I'm telling you, the people there didn't bring the most high quality food. They brought a lot of processed food, a lot of bread, a lot of carbs, cake, things like this, right? Things that I normally do not eat. So I'm telling you, what I did was while they weren't looking, I went infinite love and gratitude, and I infused all the food with infinite love and gratitude. And let me tell you, they were like, oh, wow, this food tastes so great. This food is so amazing. And after they ate, they're like, oh, I don't feel bloated. I don't feel anything like this. And you know why? Because we infused it with infinite love and gratitude. And this is an instant hack to raise the vibration of any food that you are eating. So I'm gonna crack my eggs. I'm gonna use infinite love and gratitude in the cooking process as well. go, cooking food, and infinite love and gratitude, infusing all of the food with infinite love and gratitude. Giving it some spices. Infinite love and gratitude, giving it some beautiful, amazing spices. Throw some green onions in there, and every time I put something else in, I infuse it with infinite love and gratitude. So give it a try, because I'm telling you, it really does change the vibration of the food. Everything is energy, and we all want to have the highest energy, the highest vibration that we can possibly have. And so I'm telling you, I use the words infinite love and gratitude for all of my cooking. Infinite love and gratitude, infinite love and gratitude. So I infuse everything with infinite love and gratitude, and I highly suggest everybody here tries it out, because I'm telling you, when we change the vibration of the food, when we eat the food with gratitude, instead of just shoving our faces with food, I'm telling you, it harmonizes with our bodies. And guess what? When it harmonizes vibrational with your body is in tune with infinite love and gratitude, and it helps your body to feel a lot better. So I look forward to seeing you all on my next video, where I'm going to be sharing some more energy hacks and tips. If you like this video, please share this video, because everybody needs to have high vibe food, and this is an instant hack to have the high vibe food. Please subscribe to my channel and share and like this video. And I look forward to seeing you all again on my next video. I am sending you all very, 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 very much love, and lots of infinite love and gratitude.